Artificial intelligence, AI, offers immense opportunities to create value and generate income. From automation to innovation, leveraging AI can transform businesses, streamline operations, and open new revenue streams. Below are 12 effective ways to use AI to make money, each detailed with practical insights. 1. AI-powered automation. AI can automate repetitive tasks, reducing labor costs and increasing efficiency. Businesses can deploy AI tools for data entry, customer support through chatbots, and inventory management. These solutions save time and improve operational accuracy, leading to higher profitability. 2. Personalized marketing. AI algorithms can analyze customer data to deliver personalized marketing campaigns. Businesses can tailor recommendations, optimize email campaigns, and predict customer behavior to enhance engagement and conversion rates, boosting sales revenue. 3. Developing AI products. Entrepreneurs can create AI-powered products, such as smart home devices, language translation apps, or virtual assistants. These innovations cater to growing consumer demand and provide scalable income opportunities. 4. AI consulting services. AI expertise is in high demand. Offering consultancy services to businesses looking to integrate AI into their operations can be a lucrative opportunity. Consultants can guide strategy, implementation, and optimization of AI solutions. 5. Trading and investments. AI algorithms excel in analyzing market data and predicting trends. Financial professionals and retail traders use AI for algorithmic trading, portfolio management, and risk assessment, generating profit from informed investment decisions. 6. Content creation. AI tools like generative text and image software enable efficient content creation for blogs, social media, and marketing materials. Freelancers and businesses can monetize these capabilities by offering content services or creating subscription platforms. 7. AI-driven marketplaces. Building AI-driven platforms, such as predictive analytics tools or industry-specific marketplaces, allows entrepreneurs to monetize their technology by charging subscription fees or transaction commissions. 8. Enhancing e-commerce. AI can improve e-commerce operations through predictive analytics, inventory optimization, and customer segmentation. Businesses can use AI to reduce costs, improve the shopping experience, and increase sales. 9. AI for education. AI-powered education platforms offer personalized learning experiences, adaptive testing, and automated grading. These solutions can be monetized through course fees, subscriptions, or licensing deals with educational institutions. 10. Developing AI models for licensing. Data scientists and developers can create AI models for specific industries and license them to organizations. For example, predictive maintenance models for manufacturing or fraud detection algorithms for finance. 11. Monetizing data with AI. AI can extract valuable insights from large datasets. Businesses can use these insights to optimize operations or sell the data and analysis to other companies in need of actionable intelligence. 12. AI-enabled healthcare solutions. AI innovations in healthcare, such as diagnostic tools, virtual health assistants, and personalized treatment plans, can be commercialized. These solutions improve patient outcomes while generating revenue through service fees or partnerships. Conclusion. AI offers countless avenues for generating income, from creating new products to optimizing existing processes. Success requires identifying opportunities, acquiring the right skills or partnerships, and leveraging AI technologies effectively. With innovation and strategic planning, AI can become a powerful tool for financial growth.